Okay, so question number 15C, Mrs. Grung allowed 10% discount on her fancy items to make 25% profit. Okay, and sold a lady bag for Rs 5085 with 13% VAT. This is the first condition. है यहाँसम्मको हाम्रो एउटा first condition हो. यसमा के छ त Mrs. Grung allowed 10% discount on her fancy items to make 25% profit भनेको छ यसमा. Sold a lady bag for you भनेको SP with VAT. Okay, 5085 with is SP with VAT and 13% is VAT percent. Okay, from SP with VAT and VAT percent we can find SP. Okay, from SP and discount percent we can find MP. Okay, from SP and profit percent we can find CP also. Your first condition ma हामीले what we are going to find here? First we are going to find SP. From SP and discount percent we are going to find MP, and from SP and profit percent we are going to find CP. Okay, हाम्रो ultimately यहाँ target के हो त first condition मा MP र CP find out गर्ने है. MP र CP find out गर्नु पर्यो because same MP and CP we can use in the second condition. त्यही MP र CP हामी second condition मा use गर्न मिल्छ. That's why we are going to find here MP and CP in first condition. Okay, so what is given here? Let's write what is given in first condition. Okay, given first condition. Let's see here. हामीसँग दुईटा condition छ. First condition. Given first condition है त. First condition मा के छ? Let's write. First condition मा के को लागि हो त? First of all, for fancy items. First condition for fancy items को लागि हो. What are the things given here? Discount percent is given. Simply write here discount percent. Okay, discount percent, that is D percent. Discount percent, D percent is equals to 10%. Discount percent is given here 10%. Look at here 10%. And profit percent is also given. Profit percent. Okay, profit percent, that is P percent. Profit percent, P percent means it is given here 25%. Profit percent is also given. And sold a lady bag for Rs 5085 means SP with VAT is given. SP with VAT. Okay, SP with VAT is given here. Rs 5085. Okay, SP with VAT is given here. Rs 5085. And then VAT percent is also given. Okay, so we can write here VAT percent. Okay, VAT percent, that is simply write here VAT percent is equals to 13%. Okay, in this way, these are the things given here. Now, what we are going to use here? First, we are going to use the formula for SP with VAT. Here, now SP with VAT. Okay, now SP with VAT is equals to, formula is SP plus VAT percent of SP. Okay, SP plus VAT percentage of SP. So let's put the value here. SP with VAT means 5085. It is given here 5085. SP as it is, and the SP ko value find out garnu cha. VAT percent is 13%. 13% of SP. Okay, so we can write here our 5085 is equals to SP plus 13 upon 100 into SP. Okay, now next step is to take the LCM on right hand side. Right hand side LCM, we can take an LCM. 100 into SP is 100 SP plus 13 SP. Okay, then divided by, we can write here 100. Okay, so now 100 will multiply with 5085. 508500. Okay, in this way you can write this is equals to 100 SP plus 13 SP means 113 SP. We can write 113 SP. Now this will divide here 508500 divided by 113. This is equals to SP. Okay, so simply now let's divide. Okay, we'll get here 4500 is equals to SP. Therefore, we found here SP is equals to Rs 4500. SP भनेको हामीले कति फाइन्ड आउट गर्यौं त, that is RS 4500. Okay, SP भनेको RS 4500. Now with the help of SP and discount percent, we can find the marked price. We can find the marked price. Okay, so let's write here again हामीले अब SP कै फर्मुला युज गर्दैछौँ है. Again SP is equals to MP minus discount percentage of MP. Okay, MP minus discount percentage of MP. SP we have already found, that is 4500 is equals to MP as it is MP, right? Minus discount percent means here it is given 10%. 10% of MP. 10% of MP. Okay, so let's write here 4500 is equals to MP minus 10 upon 100 into MP. Okay, now next step is to take the LCM on the right hand side. अब हामीले right hand side मा LCM. Okay, let's take here LCM on the right hand side. So I'm going to rub this side. Okay, so I'm going to rub this side. After this here, or we can write here 4500. 4500 is equals to 100 MP minus 10 MP. 100 MP minus 10 MP divided by 100. So 100 will multiply with 4500 means 4500. Two more zeros we have to write. 100 MP minus 10 MP means 90 MP. Okay, so it will divide here 4,50,000. Okay, 4,50,000 divided by 90 is equals to MP. Okay, simply you can cut here. Okay, 9 5s are 45. That means we'll get here 5,000. 5,000 is equals to MP. Okay, 5,000 is equals to MP. Therefore, we found here the value for MP. MP ko value I said that is 5,000. The value for MP is 5,000. Okay, in this way we found here MP 5,000. Our MP tha bhayo. Again, with the help of SP and profit percent. With the help of SP and profit percent, we can find CP. Okay, MP find out garsakyo. Again, we have to find here CP. Okay, so let's write here. Again, CP is equals to, okay, CP means cost price. Again, cost price, that is simply CP is equals to, when profit and SP are given, profit percent and SP are given, we can write here SP into 100, SP into 100 divided by 100 plus P percentage. This is the formula to find the CP. Okay, so SP means we have found SP 4,500. Okay, we have just found here 4,500 into 100 divided by 100 plus P percentage means 25%. So 25. This will be 4500, two more zeros divided by 125. Okay, so what we'll get here? 450. 450,000. Okay, 4 zeros divided by 125 means we'll get here 3,600. So CP is 3,600. CP we found here 3,600. Okay. Oh, अब हामीले के लेख्न मिल्छ त सेकेन्ड कन्डिसनको लागि CP will be same, marked price will be also same. अब अरु के कुराहरु डिफरेन्स हुन्छ. Let's write here in second condition. Okay, second condition. Let's write here second condition. त्यो पनि के हो त? For fancy items नै हो, for fancy items. Okay, now due to the excessive demands of our items, she decreased the discount percent by 2%. Okay, discount percent चाहिँ 2% ले decrease भयो भने चाहिँ she decreased. Okay, she decreased the discount percent by 2%. So second condition for fancy items को लागि discount भनेको discount percent, that is D% भनेको पहिलाको भन्दा 2% ले डिक्रिज. Okay, पहिला कति थियो त डिस्काउन्ट पर्सेन्ट 10%. Previously it was 10%. अब 2% ले डिक्रिज हुनु भनेको -2% means now it will be 8%. Okay, you mean बुझ्नु पर्यो यसमा. Due to the excessive demands of our items, so decrease the discount percent by 2% is भनेको 10% minus 2% means this is 8%. Or other things will be same. है यहाँ मैले cost price लेखिरहेको छु same हुन्छ. Cost price that is CP is equals to RS 3600 नै हुन्छ. Mark price MP, okay, condition अनुसार change भएन. Mark price MP will be also same, that is RS 5000. Okay, mark price is also same. Then अरु के छ, by how much was our profit percent increased? Let by X%, let by X%, our profit percent is increased भनेर हामीले यसरी सपोज गर्यौं. Okay, let by X%, our profit percent is increased. त्यसो भए त profit percent के हुन्छ त? Profit percent. Therefore profit percent P% भनेको चाहिँ P% भनेको पहिला कति छ त? Okay, previously it is 25%. अब यो हुन्छ X plus 25%. X plus 25%. Okay, किनभने X% ले increase भयो भने X plus 25%. Now second condition also we have already written. Now simply we have to find here the value for X. X को value जति आउँछ that will be the answer. Okay, त्यसको लागि what we'll do here? Okay, from here first of all we'll find SP. Second condition को SP find out गर्छौं. CP छदैछ. Okay, from SP, CP and the relation of profit percent we can find the value of X. Okay, now we are going to find here SP. Okay, now selling price. Now selling price, that is SP is equals to MP minus discount percent of MP. MP minus discount percent of MP. We can use this formula. MP minus discount percent of MP. Okay, so what is MP? MP means 5,000. 5,000 minus discount percent means 8% of 5,000. Okay, so it will be 5,000 minus 8 by 100 into 5,000. Two zeros we can cancel. We got here 5,000 minus 400. Okay, so we got here RS 4600. 4600. Selling price, what we found here? 4600. Okay, selling price we know. Cost price is 3600. Okay, then we can write the formula for profit percent. Again, P% is equals to, you know the formula. P% means SP minus CP upon CP into 100%. Isn't this the formula for profit percent? Okay, this is the formula for profit percent. Right? यो चाहिँ profit percent को के हो त formula हो. Just put the values. अब हामी यसमा भ्यालु राखौं. So profit percent means here it is X plus 25%. X plus 25% is equals to SP means 4600. 4600 minus CP is 3600. Okay, then divided by 3600. Then into 100. Okay, into 100. Okay, simply yeah, percent छदैछ. We can simply cancel it. Yeah, percent को okay, simply percent, here also percent. So no need to write here percent, just write here X plus 25. Okay, so 46 minus 3600 means it is 1000. Isn't this 1000? Two zeros we can cancel. 1000 divided by 36. Okay, so X plus 25 is equals to, let's divide here. 1000 लाई हामीले 36 ले divide गरौं. Divided by 36. Okay, what we got here? 30.78 we can write here. Okay, by round of 27.78 we can write. and then it will be x is equals to 27.78 minus 25. Okay, 27.78 minus 25. Okay, then this will be x is equals to यो भनेको simply will get here 2.78. Okay, हामीले त x लाई x% भनेर भनेका थियौं, so this we got here in x is equals to 2.78%. Okay, we found here x is equals to 2.78%. अब हामीलाई क्वेशनमा जसरी क्वेशन सोधेको छ त्यसरी नै हामीले कन्क्लुजन लेख्नु पर्यो. By how much was her profit percent increased? Hence her profit percent okay, hence her profit percent was increased by 2.78%. Okay, hence her profit percent was increased by, okay, profit percent was increased by 2.78%. Okay, in this way we completed this one.